Hey guys, welcome to a day without anyone ulit. I'm really proud of myself. And gusto Nakagat ko yung buto ng kamalansa.
My baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Welcome to my day na walang kasama sa bahay. So now, I think I wanna go outside and buy some merienda. Anyways, I want to finish yung commissions kong natitira. Commission ba to? Sideline na lang kasi parang hindi naman siya commission. Yun lang, I'm just gonna buy some merienda and I'm gonna get to you back. I'm gonna get back to you. Hey guys, so I just changed my clothes. Nag-white shirt lang ako. I'm really glad na meron ako mga sidelines katulad nito. Kasi now, ang ginagawa ko is narrative report ng mga tao. I'm really glad na meron ako mga gantong sidelines. Kasi, syempre, kapag may kailangan akong gastusin or kailangan bilhin and minsan cravings, may pera ako pang gastos kasi I really hate asking for money sa parents ko. I really want to work na. So, I'm really proud naman din sa sarili ko na I'm gonna have a job soon. I don't know, I'm just really proud of myself kasi kahit na it's not a work or kahit na hindi ito yung work na dream na agad, yung parang wow, taas ang trabaho mo, hindi ka na agad kahit na nasa baba pa lang ako. I'm really proud of myself. Ang dami ko na sinabi, bibili lang ako ng merienda. So, okay, I'm back. May chichika ako kasi, wait lang, di ba bumili ako? So, ang binili ko is kikiam for Tita Reb, cheese stick, and lomi. Ngayon, nung niluluto na yung dalawang order ko na kikiam and cheese stick, tinanong ako, sabi sa akin, ano pong sauce nung ano? Tapos sabi ko, matamis po. Tapos biglang, sabi sa akin, Neng, yung ano, sour cream o cheese. Ganun lang siya. Yung ano, sour cream o cheese. Eh, di ba minsan, yung cheese stick nilalagyan din ng powdered Camberloo. Sabi ko, sour cream na lang po. Pero nagdadalawang isip na ako kasi sabi ko, maglalagay pa sila doon. Eh, ilang beses na akong bumili dito. Hindi naman sila naglalagay ng powdered flavor. Pagbigay sa akin, ano, sabi niya, sa'yo po tong ano, french fries. Sabi ko, hala, hindi ho. Cheese stick po yun. Ha! Nakalagay ng sour cream ni doon. Sa french fries. Sana na lang yung bumili nun ang flavor niya na gusto is sour cream. Kundi, they just fucking wasted 20 pesos for a fry. So now, look at my food. It's lomi. It's the best kasi umuulan right now. And cheese stick. Watch me eat. Feeling ko sasabihin, bakit sumagot yung babae ng sour cream? Hindi naman pala, kasalanan ko pa ngayon. Nanahimik ako doon, no? Pero, yung kikiam nila, piso isa, that's good. Kasi sa iba, 4-5 na, gano'n. Grabe, before, pag nakain kami, sinantusok-tusok, tayo na 20 lang, puno na yung baso mo. Ngayon, 20 mo, 4 na quick lang. There's chicken balls here. Let's try the chicken bowl. Another one. Alam mo, feel ko favorite ako ni ate. Dami niya maglagay ng mga bagay-bagay sa akin. Puno to, oh. You can actually see it. And besides, lomi is my favorite. Ito ang madalas kong kinakrave. I will try to do an ASMR. Refreshing. This one naman. ASMR. Siguro may future ako sa pag-ASMR.
Di ko may papangako ang cover my back. God damn it, I'm at least somebody stronger. Aren't I? I'd be stronger. Nothing, I'm a pendulum. I don't know where I'll land. I just know that I can swing it. Stronger. Did you like her in the morning? With cups of coffee. And she would hate but still train easier. And she wasn't your last touch at nighttime. Did all the pretending help you forget? All the sleep left your eyes.
Tama na! Full storage na yan! No, guys, I swear he's not emotionally, and I feel the police just traumatized.
No, guys, I swear he's not a lost cause. It's just he hasn't met the girl that
Fix his life. Who am I kidding? Your eyes ever shifted?